Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 best
Folding stools.
Number 5.
Taver portable folding stool set of 2. Taver plastic folding stool set of 2 are commercial grade for indoor and outdoor use. Use the plastic folding stool for picnic outings, crafting, camping, and other recreational events. Easy to carry and store material, heavy-duty plastic and heavy-duty steel frame made of high-impact polyethylene. The folding stools are made of UV-protected high-density polyethylene plastic and has the capacity to hold up. The folding portable stool is scratch, stain, impact, and weather resistant.
Number 4.
Atlas Lane Flex Light Folding Stool 2-pack. 12-year warranty, Green Guard certified. Holds up to 300 pounds, withstands rigors of commercial use. Arrives fully assembled. Built-in handhold for easy transport. Ergonomically correct design for superior comfort.
Number 3.
Atlantic 4-pack folding stool with handle. Lightweight and durable. Handle for easy transport or hanging storage. Plastic leg caps protect floors from scratching. Bright modern color. Folds away for easy storage.
Number 2.
Centric 3-step folding stool steel step. Easy to use, no assembly, easy to carry for using indoor or outdoor. Multi-use for all your indoor or outdoor projects. Safety and stability, non-slip steps and feet and a small metal clip lock behind the top. Comfortable, curved hand grip provides a larger space for legs when you stand on the top treads. Space saving, folds up thin for easy storage and transportation. Folded size, 49.6 x 18. Treads dimensions, L14.96 x W10.23. The height of the top thread to the floor, 28.34 inches.
Number 1.
Collagen multi-purpose folding ladder stool. T. One piece, no need to install. Application, home decoration, library, etc. Fillet design, not easy to bump. Material, quality and durability, pine, solid, durable, environmentally friendly, tasteless, bearing 150 kg. Features: foldable, does not take up space, can be deployed to sit very comfortable. Features: kitchen cooking, changing light bulbs, changing curtains, high places and so on. High quality, direct sales by manufacturers, reasonable price. Usually, we will ship the item